Are you ready to transform your Ford F250 into an unstoppable force? In today's video, we dive into the ultimate battle of the best tonneau covers that redefine style, functionality, and protection. Whether you're hauling heavy gear or looking to enhance your truck's sleek appearance, we've got you covered. Discover the top-rated options that blend cutting-edge design with durability, ensuring your cargo stays safe and secure through every adventure. Say goodbye to weather damage and hello to sleek, streamlined look. Join us as we unveil expert reviews and insider tips that will help you make the perfect choice for your F250. Buckle up for an exhilarating journey toward truck perfection. You won't want to miss this. Number 7. Gator Cover's Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for your 2017 to 2024 Ford F250/350/450 Super Duty with a 6 feet 10 inches bed. Made in the USA with premium, globally sourced materials, this soft roll-up cover combines durability with functionality. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty on the frame and a decade-long warranty on the tarp. Installation is a breeze, no drilling required. Simply clamp the rails in place using the included hardware, and you're ready to roll. Enjoy 100% access to your truck bed. Just roll the cover towards a cab and secure it with a storage strap for effortless loading and unloading. With its sleek vinyl material, the Gator ETX not only enhances your truck's aesthetics, but also protects your cargo from the elements. If you're searching for the best tonneau cover for an F250, look no further. The Gator ETX strikes the perfect balance between convenience and security, making it an indispensable accessory for any truck owner. Number 6. Yitamotor's Soft Quad Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is an excellent choice for truck enthusiasts seeking quality and convenience. Designed specifically for 1999 to 2016 Ford F250, F350, and F450 Super Duty models with a 6.75-foot bed. This cover ensures a perfect fit and easy installation, with no tools or drilling required. You can set it up in just 20 minutes using the upgraded clamps with adjustable holes. What sets this tonneau cover apart is its quad fold design, providing you with more access room and enhanced durability, thanks to an extra crossbar and clamps compared to traditional trifold options. The reinforced corners keep the cover snug against your bed, while sturdy clamps and buckles with straps ensure it stays in place even on the roughest roads. Plus, its all-season protection against tears, water, and extreme temperatures makes it ideal for any environment. If you're looking for the best tonneau cover for your F250, the Yitamotor Soft Quad Fold Tonneau Cover is a top-notch investment that strikes the perfect balance of functionality and durability. Number 5. Whale Motor has truly outdone themselves with the truck bed tonneau cover. Designed specifically for the Ford Super Duty 6.8-foot standard box. Compatible with F250 1999 to 2025 and F350 models. This innovative soft roll-up style cover not only provides a custom fit, but also ensures your truck bed is securely protected from the elements with its durable vinyl and aluminum materials. Installation is a breeze thanks to the hassle-free clamping system that requires no tools, saving you valuable time. The easy roll-up design offers quick access to your cargo, making loading and unloading as effortless as possible. Plus, its aerodynamic shape greatly reduces wind drag, enhancing your vehicle's fuel efficiency, which is a significant plus for truck owners. With the Whale Motor tonneau cover, you also receive a complete package: 2 side rails, 6 mounting clamps, weather stripping, and a generous 12-month warranty. If you're searching for the best tonneau cover for F250, look no further. Whale Motor has you covered. Number 4. DNA Motoring presents the TTC RU005 Soft Vinyl Roll-Up Tonneau Cover, the perfect upgrade for your 1999 to 2016 F250, F350, or F450 Super Duty with a 6.5-foot fleet side bed. This sleek, anodized matte finish cover combines style with functionality, making it one of the best tonneau covers for your F250. Its plug-and-play installation means no drilling or cutting is required. Just attach the included clamps for a snug fit. The adjustable tension ensures your cover stays secure, while the ultra-lightweight material, under 30 pounds, offers exceptional durability, designed with the truck's aerodynamics in mind. This cover not only enhances your vehicle's appearance, but also improves fuel efficiency by reducing drag. Weather seals protect your cargo from the elements, while elastic straps keep the cover secure when rolled up, with model-specific designs and anti-curl corners. The DNA motoring tonneau cover guarantees excellent coverage and an impressive look, regardless of the weather conditions. Upgrade your truck today for a great experience on the road. Number 3. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for owners of the 2017 to 2025 Ford F250 and F350 Super Duty with a 6.75-foot, 82-inch bed, designed with durability in mind. This tonneau cover features a dual-coated, heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl that ensures your cargo remains protected from the elements. The robust aircraft-grade aluminum frames and stainless steel clamps add robust support and make for a user-friendly installation process, requiring no drilling. One of the standout features of this cover is its pre-assembled horizontal crossbars, allowing for easy folding and full bed access whenever you need it. This seamless design not only enhances the overall aesthetic of your truck, but also contributes to better gas mileage. Plus, with a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers, you can have peace of mind for years to come. For anyone searching for the best tonneau cover for F250, the Tiger Auto T3 ticks all the boxes: style, functionality, and unparalleled protection for your truck bed. Number 2. Rough Country Hard Low-Profile Trifold Tonneau Bed Cover for Ford F250/F350 Super Duty is the ultimate choice for truck owners looking for the best tonneau cover for F250. This hard-folding cover features a sleek, low-profile design in a stylish matte black finish, enhancing your truck's aesthetic while providing unparalleled functionality. Crafted with corrosion-resistant aluminum and a robust powder-coated frame, it's built to last, ensuring all-weather protection with a complete weather seal. Access your cargo effortlessly with its versatile trifold design. Drive with it fully open, 2/3 open, or closed, giving you maximum convenience on the road. The auto-latching system secures the cover tightly in the closed position for added security. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the track and rail mounting system that requires no drilling, with all necessary tools included. Plus, you can feel confident knowing you're backed by Rough Country's USA customer support and a limited 5-year replacement warranty, perfect for enhancing both style and functionality. This tonneau cover is an essential addition to your F250. Number 1. Real Truck BAK Flip MX4 is the ultimate tonneau cover for your 2017 to 2024 Ford F250 350 Super Duty with a 6 feet 10 inches bed. Crafted in the USA with global materials, this cover is engineered for maximum security with durable aluminum panels that latch automatically when closing. You'll appreciate the stylish matte finish that not only enhances the aesthetic, but also resists scratches and UV damage, keeping your truck looking sharp. With 100% bed access, you can operate the cover in any position, closed, folded, or flipped up without obstructing the third brake light. The premium upgrades to perimeter seals ensure a snug fit, while the dual-action tailgate seal allows for smooth tailgate operation, even when closed. If you're searching for the best tonneau cover for your F250, the BAK Flip MX4 seamlessly combines style, functionality, and security, making it a must-have addition for any truck owner. Upgrade your truck today and experience the difference. In conclusion, choosing the best tonneau cover for your F250 can greatly enhance your truck's functionality and style. With options ranging from hard to soft covers, there's something to suit every preference and budget. Consider your needs for security, accessibility, and durability when making your decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to share your thoughts or experiences with tonneau covers. Your feedback helps our community grow.